The interpretation of dreams is the royal road to a knowledge of the unconscious mind. Where there is love, there is a wish for power. We are never so defenseless against suffering as when we love. One day, in retrospect, the years of struggle will strike you as the most beautiful. The ego is not master in its own house. The goal of all life is death. Being entirely honest with oneself is a good exercise. Unexpressed emotions will never die, they are buried alive, and will come forth later in uglier ways. The madman is a dreamer awake. The voice of the intellect is a soft one, but it does not rest until it has gained a hearing. Out of your vulnerabilities will come your strength. One is very crazy when in love. Dreams are the royal road to the unconscious. The only person with whom you have to compare yourself is you in the past. I cannot think of any need in childhood as strong as the need for a father's protection. Most people do not really want freedom, because freedom involves responsibility, and most people are frightened of responsibility. Everywhere I go, I find a poet has been there before me. The mind is like an iceberg. It floats with 1/7 of its bulk above water. Love and work. Work and love, that's all there is. Out of your vulnerabilities will come your strength. The first human who hurled an insult instead of a stone was the founder of civilization. Civilized society is perpetually menaced with disintegration through this primary hostility of men towards one another. When inspiration does not come to me, I go halfway to meet it. Every normal person, in fact, is only normal on the average. His ego approximates to that of the psychotic in some part or other, and to a greater or lesser extent. No one who has seen a baby sinking back satiated from the breast and falling asleep with flushed cheeks and a blissful smile can escape the reflection that this picture persists as a prototype of the expression of sexual satisfaction in later life. When inspiration does not come to me, I go halfway to meet it. Words have a magical power. They can bring either the greatest happiness or deepest despair. Time spent with cats is never wasted. Psychoanalysis is in essence a cure through love. Most people do not really want freedom, because freedom involves responsibility, and most people are frightened of responsibility. I have found little that is good about human beings on the whole. In my experience, most of them are trash. Psychoanalysis is not the only way to resolve inner conflicts. Life itself still remains a very effective therapist. Subscribe my channel for more videos.